Welcome to Adam's Atom, Science Resolved.
Have you ever pondered over the question, how do we actually lose weight when we breathe? This question might seem a bit puzzling at first, but it's actually at the heart of understanding our body's weight loss process. Many of us, quite understandably, think that we primarily lose weight through sweat or waste elimination. That's a common assumption, but did you know that it's not entirely accurate? In fact, the majority of our weight loss actually happens through the seemingly simple act of breathing. Yes, you heard it right. Breathing, an automatic and often overlooked bodily function, plays a pivotal role in weight loss. It's through this process that our body burns oxygen and expels carbon dioxide, a gas that's heavier than the oxygen we inhale. This exchange of gases results in a net loss of weight. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Let's dive deeper into this fascinating process. To comprehend this, we need to delve a little into biochemistry. Our bodies are like complex machines, constantly converting food into energy. This process, called metabolism, involves a series of chemical reactions where our cells use oxygen to break down the food we eat. The food, composed of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, is oxidized, meaning it reacts with oxygen. This reaction produces energy, water, and carbon dioxide. The energy is used to fuel our bodies while the water is absorbed. Carbon dioxide, however, is a byproduct and our bodies have no use for it. It's like the exhaust from a car. It's produced by the engine, but it has to be expelled. Our bodies do this through respiration, exhaling the carbon dioxide out into the atmosphere. So we have established that our bodies produce carbon dioxide as a waste product. But how does this lead to weight loss? This is where the magic of breathing comes into play. Our lungs, these remarkable organs, are the primary actors in this fascinating performance. They inhale oxygen, which our cells need to burn the food we eat. This burning process, or metabolism, produces energy and waste products, one of which is carbon dioxide. Now here's the interesting part. Carbon dioxide is heavier than the oxygen we inhale. So when we exhale, we're actually pushing out this heavier gas, effectively causing us to lose weight. It's a bit like deflating a balloon. As we breathe out, our bodies become ever so slightly lighter. So, in essence, every breath we take is a tiny step towards weight loss. It's a subtle yet constant process happening right under our noses, or rather, right out of them. Now, you may be curious to know how significant this weight loss is. Let's crunch some numbers to understand the impact of this process on our weight. Picture this. When you breathe in, you inhale oxygen. When you breathe out, you exhale carbon dioxide, which is heavier. Now, an average person at rest exhales about 700 to 800 grams of carbon dioxide in a day. That's almost 2 pounds. Sure, on a daily basis, it doesn't seem like a lot, but let's zoom out a bit. Over a week, that's close to 14 pounds. Over a month, that's a whopping 60 pounds. And in a year, you're looking at a staggering 720 pounds. That's about the weight of a grand piano. Of course, these numbers aren't exact, and various factors like your metabolism and activity level can affect them. But it's clear that the weight loss from breathing alone can be quite significant over time. So, the next time you take a deep breath, remember that you're not just relaxing your body, but also shedding some weight. To sum it up, we lose weight through breathing, not as you might think through sweat or waste elimination. The biochemistry behind this is fascinating. Our bodies burn oxygen, creating exhaust in our cells, which results in carbon dioxide. This CO2 is heavier and we breathe it out, resulting in a net loss of weight. While not the primary method of weight loss, it's a continuous process that contributes to our overall weight management. Who knew that the simple act of breathing plays such a crucial role in our weight loss journey?